Huh?
Okay. Okay. I can see.
Oh, you gave me an exercise. Is that different from the ones you gave me before, or they're the same?
Uh, one maybe the out of that. I think hands-on one is the one I gave you, but the remaining are different.
Oh, okay. Because this is clearer. You have some instruction here. Uh, uh,
I made you presenter. You can find your screen.
yeah. You see my screen?
It's coming up. Wait. Yes.
So I tried to do the first one with your instruction, but now that I have your more detailed instruction, Jason has to use and create a PS data set with rec FM
Yeah, it's the same thing.
5500, and that's what I did. I was able to create. I think this is the one. But the
Okay. See, I'll show you how it needs to be handled. Okay.
okay, because you wanted it to be
Yes.
not to fail, right?
Yes.
I don't know how to make it not fail.
Fine. I'll tell you. I'll mm, I'll do one thing. Give me control. I'll type in your JCL. I'll modify your
Okay,
JCL.
okay. And Venkat, I'm really getting scared. I don't know if I'll start next week or the week after, and we still have DB2 and COBOL to do, right?
No problem. We'll try to cover. We'll see.
Oh,
What?
Venkat,
Yeah.
after this, can you show me first? I remember back when I was doing mainframe,
Mm-hmm.
if I want to copy something and I want to copy the layout, you just browse a data set and then it copies that, right? You don't have to put all the settings of that file.
Oh, okay. You want to copy from one member to other member?
No, you want to create a file. Yeah, it's almost like copying, but you just copy the settings of that. When you allocate it, you just browse a file that's similar and it copies that. Do you
Okay.
remember doing that?
Okay. I'll show you. Maybe. And
Yeah, but we'll do it after this one.
okay.
We'll do that after.
Okay.
Let me
Just
just
give me control.
give you the control. Oh, are you recording, right?
Yes, I have started.
Okay.
See.
Because I need to see this. And Vasu doesn't make the video available right away. So if you have something and I have some questions and I want to look at the video, how we did it, he doesn't make it available right away.
I will also talk to him.
Why?
I will also talk to him, but what, just remind him that ask him to upload it the same day.
Yeah, I need it the same. At least the next when I wake up next morning, it's
I know. Now, say I will call it as step 10.
Okay.
Okay. Let us look at that later, but okay, this is the new catalog delete step, right? So what we can do is
Yes.
you add one more step here before this, so that you just give mod and actually never code catalog for abnormal, because if the step fails, we don't want to catalog the data set.
I'm sorry, say that again.
So never
Venkat?
code catalog under abnormal, this position here in this
Oh, yeah?
field. Yeah, because we don't want to catalog it when the step fails. This field uh, practically should not be cataloged. Now I don't want DCB parameters because that file is say existing, and okay, now what will happen, suppose if the file exists,
Why did you take off the unit?
I will tell you. So when the file is existing, the first step will hold the file, delete it, fine. And for example, if the file is not existing, mod will default to new, right? When the file is not existing, mod will default to new. Then this will become new delete delete. So what will happen is it will create temporarily one new file and delete it. In that process, it requires space parameters to be specified. MVS will never create any data set without specifying the space. But for unit and DCB, uh, system programmer would have given installation defaults, but not for space.
Oh, okay, okay.
So you need to just
Okay,
give space. And now if you submit, it will delete it.
Venkat?
Yeah.
You need to know the space, the 1010. So you need to know how much it is
No.
to release, right?
No. What release does is, suppose when you are loading the dataset which you have created in that step, and it has, after completing the step, the dataset would have consumed 5 tracks. So remaining space of 5 tracks will be released. So release has to be used only for one time activity. For example, if the file is updated every day uh, and new records are added every day, and if you code release parameter, on the first day it will add the records, but on the second day when you try to write some new records, it may not get the additional space. So a release parameter has to be quoted when it is one time activity of loading.
Yes, but when you're deleting, do you still need the track?
No, no, yeah,
You
because
can
you
just
need to
put
use the
space release, right?
yes. Without space, mod will not work. And other alternative is
Okay, but you
uh-huh.
but you only need the release on space when you're deleting, right?
No, you need to write tracks, comma primary, comma secondary, but release is optional
Oh.
because
But because why are you putting space when you're deleting anyway?
but if the data set is not existing, it will create a new data set and then delete.
Oh. Oh, okay. So this is if you don't know if it's
Yes,
created or not.
yes, exactly.
Okay.
You understood? But if you code
Yes.
old, the requirement is the data set should be existing. Fine. And
Yes.
you need not have to code the space parameter. Okay. Zero, right?
So what are we trying to do on the second one? So if it's existing, you delete it,
Yes.
and then if it's and then if so since it's the same file.
Hmm.
Oh, you're always creating on the second step, right?
Yes. And suppose if you
Oh,
code
okay.
old delete delete, and for example, if the data set is not existing, okay.
I think it's TST
Oh, is
and
it TST?
PSFFIL1. TST and PSFIL1. Oh,
No. Yeah. Now it is not existing, right? Wait, wait.
yeah.
See,
But you run it,
no,
right?
no, wait, wait, wait.
Oh, MFT.
Okay.
MFT.
Yes.
No, MFT. Yeah.
Now what we
Yes.
do, we'll go ahead and try to delete it.
Okay.
Fine.
Yes.
Now you come back and try to run the job. GSL error.
Error.
You know how to clean the purge the jobs, right?
Uh,
You type
not a lot.
slash slash
Not a lot.
come to
Oh, I didn't know this. This I didn't know. I didn't know this.
just leave the last one, block them like this, say P for purge,
Uh-huh.
enter.
Oh, okay. Wait. What was the option you did? What was the screen that popped up?
It will ask for confirmation, just press enter, that's all.
Oh, okay.
See, a data
Step
set
10 was
is
not
not found,
executed.
right? Now,
Yes.
which option you think is better, old delete delete or mod delete delete?
What?
Which option you think is better, old delete delete is better or mod delete delete?
Mod.
Because
That way, if it's not there, it will add it, right?
correct. But imagine a scenario. Suppose you are working in a project, okay, and you have other you know developers working with you, okay, and you are working with one particular file. The same file is what you are working as part of your task, and you have prepared a job in such a way that every day when you run the program you delete this file using old delete delete or mod delete delete and continue. Say for example, by mistake or intentionally, your colleague, say other developer, deletes the file, this file. Fine. Now, if you use mod delete delete, you will never know that somebody has touched your file.
Oh, okay.
But if you code old delete delete, you will get an alarm that, see, my job has failed. Why it failed? It is me who has to delete it, so somebody has tampered my file.
Yeah.
Right? So we need to.
But you said that.
Yeah.
But you said that you don't want to the job to fail. That's why I do mod, right?
Yeah, but suppose if some other user deletes it.
Oh, okay. Then you want old, right?
You do not know, right?
Yeah.
But anyway, during our training, we always use mod delete delete. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now, did you understand IBGNer job?
I was trying. So
Okay.
so that's the. Oh wait, did you submit it?
No, 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 no.
The IAFBR 14 with the mod?
You want to show this?
Oh no. You were. Did you submit the other one? The one you changed to mod?
I don't think so. You want me to submit?
The IAFBR 14. So we want to see what happened there, right?
Okay. It will again delete. It will again create. You want to see that, right? Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
That's fine. Now it will create anyway.
Oh yeah. So this is the answer, right, to your question,
Yeah.
to the homework.
Because this is very common in the projects. There are some daily jobs which will keep on removing the previous day files and produce the current day file. You see this a lot.
Can you when we have time, I also want you to show me, is there is there an easy way to create a data file
Using 3.2 option.
and what should be the DCB for a test data
See,
when you create one?
there are two types of data sets. One is PS file, other is PDS. PS files are usually used to store data. So depending on your record length, you can define the file record length. Suppose you have employee data and you know what is the length of the employee record. So much should be the length of the record length in that file.
So how would you create that file, that data file?
One is through job, through JCL like this.
IFBR 14?
No, actually within the program, suppose I'll show you, you'll understand better.
Okay. So,
here in this step, okay, in place of pgm equal to, you can code your program pgm equal to pgm01, and if you write new catalog delete, it will create and you can load also in that step. It is not necessary that always you use IFBR 14 to create a data set. See, you can use IFBR 14 to create an empty data set, but suppose in your program you are writing into a data set which is created in that step. You create the data set and also load the data set. Then you can, while executing the program, say pgm equal to your program name and give dcb like disp equal to new catalog delete, and you can start writing.
Yes, but what if I want to create data sets where I can enter some test data?
Okay, you go to option 3.2. Okay. Okay, here go to option 3.2. Come here. This is the option. Fine. Try
Mm.
this.
Yes. Okay.
10, 10. Directory blocks are 0. So it will be PS. For a PS, directory blocks are
Oh,
0.
oh.
Correct?
And for test data, do you have to put the data set name type?
We have to put what?
Oh, there I see it. See, if it's PDS, you can put PDS. But if you want test data, what do you do?
Okay. Let me create this.
Oh, you didn't.
You go to your data set. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Edit the file.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay. And can you show me how to do the allocation where you copy this the settings just by browsing an existing file?
Okay. Suppose if you get numbers here, what you do num off. Okay. And come here, delete them. Okay.
What was that for?
You will get num off. You will get numbers automatically put by the emulator. I mean your profile like mainframe. You can do num off
Mm-hmm.
and erase that, so that whenever you type something, it won't put the numbers at the last 8 columns. And this is how you
Last 8 columns.
yes, here. Suppose you say num on. See, it put numbers there.
Uh,
Okay. Do
is
num
that
off.
you did num on?
Yes.
Oh, but why is that? You typed it. It didn't generate for you, right?
Yes. It is done by the mainframe profile setting.
I thought you typed that in.
You have to issue num off.
Oh, okay.
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 Then you can delete those characters or numbers and again save. And what is that next question you
Mm-hmm.
were asking?
Oh yes. Oh yeah. Can you do edit again and don't press enter yet?
Yeah.
Yeah, edit. And, oh,
Wait, wait.
what is that? Oh, page. Okay. Okay, this one. I remember this. The initial macro. This is if you want to do some of those automatic. You don't have to type like num std cob, right?
Yeah. But
Do you?
uh, this is not required, because if you are doing some mocks
Okay.
data updation, then you create a macro and use it. Otherwise,
But do you type it in here or it opens up another window?
no, it just press enter. That's it,
Okay.
and go inside.
Okay. Yeah. So my other question was when, like for example, we want to copy this data set and we just want, I mean, we're not copying this data set. We just want to copy the settings for this data set. And I remember when I was still in mainframe that you can just browse this data set and it copies this when you're creating a new data set.
Okay, okay. Okay, I'll show you that.
Okay.
Go to
So you
3.2.
allocate, right? Uh-huh.
3.2. kc03b40.mft.test.
Data
ps
set two.
file. No, data set.
Okay. Yeah.
Data set, right? Now
Yeah.
you just press
Two,
enter. Blank.
maybe,
See
or
here,
one.
blank is data set information,
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
right? It
Uh-huh.
means here in the command prompt, do not type anything, just press enter.
Uh-huh.
It will show the dataset information,
Uh-huh.
the attributes.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Again press enter, it will go back. Now you can allocate.
So if we want, yes, I'll
Enter,
allocate a new one, right?
enter, and again enter. Now you can say allocate .bkp.
Uh-huh.
It will allocate with the same.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay. So you go to the existing one first, right?
Yes, yes. It will save till you change
Okay,
it.
that's what I want.
Till you
Okay,
remember
I forgot about that.
attributes, it will store the same attributes till you change it,
Mm-hmm.
till you create a new data set.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay, and let us come to IBGNer. See, IBGNer,
Okay.
you need to
Yeah.
understand.
So I tried it. If you look
It's
at the
difficult.
second one, that's the one I created.
Yeah, it is difficult. Um,
Oh, and Venkat,
hmm. Yeah.
you can do a sort change, right? To order with the change. But can you sort by name too?
No, but usually the best way is to just locate by the member name.
Oh, because I did like this and like that,
No,
right?
no, no, don't. Then it will.
But
I want to be sorted automatically. Actually, it will be sorted on names actually
oh, okay.
by default. Okay. Locate
Oh, okay. What if you
IBGNer.
want it descending?
Yes. Uh, okay. See.
Oh no, this is not the one I did.
Okay.
It's the R1 and R2 I did.
You know this, right? Very simple, right?
Uh,
This is the one.
I didn't run it.
Oh, it is the one you
Yeah,
want to run.
so yeah.
See.
No, I think
So,
I was able to run this, right?
sorry.
If you look at my output, I think I already created that too. IEF2.
Hmm.
The data set I generated.
This one, right?
Oh no, I mean if you go back to the one,
Mm-hmm.
I think I was able to run that one.
Okay. That is very simple, right?
I think so. Can you see if that's what was
Okay.
right on that one?
Okay. Let me see what you have written.
I think you still have it open somewhere.
Um,
One.
or you know what?
Yeah. If
Um, I will log on to log on to your ID in my screen. I know the password,
uh-huh.
and I will
Uh-huh.
work on that so that it is faster,
Okay.
right?
So did I do it right here?
Let me see. I'll go in edit mode first.
And then you can see my output, that IEF2, that should have been created, I think.
So you mean to say you have this dataset with the name mft.jcl.iapr14?
No, the IEF2. I already ran this.
Oh.
So I think I was able to create the output file.
Where is that? What is the
If
member?
you 3.4 for the. No. If you go back to the program, the job.
Job. Okay.
No. One. Yeah. The output is UT2.
Mm.
I think I was able to run this and I was able to create that.
Okay, that's fine. This is the basic functionality of IBM.
But do you think this is right what I did?
Yes, correct. So what I will do, I log off and I will work on your member only in my PC. Or shall I?
Oh, okay.
It is faster actually.
Yeah, okay. Yes, that's right.
Actually, my typing speed is very fast.
What?
My typing speed is very fast. I type very fast.
Yes.
I have learned typewriting.
Yeah.
So that is the reason I can type very fast. You can see my screen, right?
Mm-hmm.
Can you see my screen? Right?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
You can, right?
Yes, I see it. I see it.
Now, start 3.4. Let me check whether the dataset is present. mft.jcl.iabr14. This is a VB file. Okay. And you have some data in this? No. See, actually, these kind of files, job should be used to copy from uh, PS to PS file. See, for example, you should use it like this.
Okay.
And let us
Yes.
use the same dataset which we just created. Okay. Fine. And suppose now this is existing. When I run,
Mm-hmm.
sorry. This dataset.backup is existing, right? So I want to delete it before I run this step. give a step number so that it is easy to track the step execution. Now you run the job. Fine. You understand this, what I have done? And notify always means this UID. It will have the records now. Fine. This is how you use IFGNL. Now let me show you. No, this is not what I mean to say actually.
Where's that? Are you trying to copy to yours?
No. And suppose if you want to write a report, I'll show you my document and explain you how to do it. Okay. And I'll give the document to you. You write the program. I'll send the notepad to you. You write it. Now all I'm doing is I have a data set, okay, which is say for example, I'll show you my data set. Mm. Okay. If I have a file like this, I keep some dummy records in this, and I want to create an IBGNer program in such a way that I will add few headings to the file and write it to an output file as a report. Okay. To achieve that, all I do is, see, remember one thing in IBGNer. IBGNer does a flat copy from input file to output file, correct? Yes. Brian? Hello? Hello?
Venkat?
Yeah.
Venkat?
Hmm. Yes.
Can you give me a few minutes? I have a phone call. I have to.
Okay, okay.
Okay, sorry about that.
Okay, okay. Okay.
Hello, Venkat? Hello? Venkat? Hello, Venkat?
Wait, Brian, I'm coming. Are you back, Brian?
Yes, yes. Sorry about that.
Okay, you're back, right? Okay, 1 second. I'll show you a good one.
Oh, and Venkat,
Yeah.
when you're doing some things, can you also add some comments when you're doing them, just so I remember when I watch the videos.
Okay. Yes.
What is that? What did you do?
No, I want to copy this to my library actually.
Oh, you can do that like that?
Yeah, because I have admin privilege.
Oh, so normally I won't be able to do that, right?
No. Actually, it is hard to understand in one go. So maybe you ask videos from Vasu and try to go through them and practice yourself.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'll show you basic example of IBGNer reformat.
Okay.
Now in this JCL, I am reading an input file. Okay, the name of the file is PS file. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
test.ps file. I'll show you what I'm trying to do. Test.ps file. Test.ps file. This file has got, say, records like this. Here first 5 is
Mm-hmm.
employee ID, first name, last name, department.
Mm-hmm.
Fine.
Mm-hmm.
Now
Okay.
I
Yes.
run my I run my IBGNer reformat job, and I want to get a report like out one. Okay,
You want to reformat it to what?
like this. Okay,
Oh, okay.
and I wanted you to do like this. For this, if you remember,
Mm-hmm.
IBGNer has a property. The input file is copied to output file. But how many records are there in input file? So many records will be copied to output file. Suppose if you want to copy, if the input file has got 10 records, there is no way you can tell IBGNer copy only 5 records, right? It will copy all the records.
Yes.
Now, for the purpose of writing this report, I need to write one step here, one line which has got employee report. And actually I am reading, I am having an input file, but actually I am not formatting anything from the input file. Rather, I am just writing my own text, but specifying
Mm-hmm.
input file is necessary. And since I want to write only one record, I keep only one record in my input file. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
So what I do, I create another file which is empty.
When
And
you say you created it in TSO or using IEF, IBGener?
no, no, you can do it either way, but you have to add one record. It can be empty also. See,
Uh-huh.
now give this as input to your IBgener. Empty file. Do you see this?
Mm-hmm.
And write this text. Fine.
Okay.
And here generate max fields, and remember any of these session commands like generate, record, they all should start after column 1. Column 1 should not have any type typed text. Okay, you
So
read
so
column
it can
1.
start in column 2?
Yeah, you can start from column 2 or column 3, wherever you want.
Okay.
Now here I am writing two fields. One is a text with employee report, other one is a date, and this is the length of the field, and this is the position in the output file. 16, and I am writing this
Okay.
date in the 41st column in the output file. Fine.
Yes.
And max lits equal to 25 means count the literals characters in this text: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15, and here they are 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, total is 25.
Oh, okay. I didn't understand it
Right.
before. That's why I couldn't do it. Yeah.
And it should be exact match, it cannot be 24 or 26.
Okay.
Then
Okay.
you come here, and again one more step, run another step. Only thing is, now I'll type this underline.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. So it's one IEB. You can't do one IEB gener for everything?
No, because IFGener will do this as many records are there in the input file, and at a time it will do the same thing. It can do only copy, reformat. Suppose if your input file has got one record, you can type in only one text.
Oh, it can only do reformat. It can't add a line.
No, no, it will just do a
Oh,
copy.
okay.
You cannot add because it is
Okay.
IFGener. So I'll have steps like this, and here I am adding subheadings. Fine. And
Yes.
dashes for that. Okay, and here in the last step I am sending the fields like this.
Okay.
Here this is length of the field, this is the input position, this one, and this is the output position.
Mm-hmm.
And when I run the job, I'll get the output like this.
Oh, okay. Can I see your JCL again?
I will show you. Right.
Mm-hmm. Can I see your JCL? Oh, okay. Can you go up? Where did you set the column headings?
Okay. Here.
Oh, okay.
Right.
Okay. Yes.
Similarly, dashes under the column names.
Oh, okay, okay. So it's one step at a time. One line is one step.
Yes. After all your headings are written,
But
last step you can copy all the
but,
records.
Well, we don't normally do this reporting in like an IEB General, right?
Yes, yes. But we do reformatting.
Oh, okay, okay.
I just created this kind of hands-on because that way you will know how to make use of reformatting commands.
Yes.
And it is
Yeah.
interesting.
No, this is good.
Actually, it
Yeah,
will be
I didn't know you
interesting
can do this.
also. The
Yeah.
students also feel good writing programs like this, right? You can do this exercise. What I can do
Mm-hmm.
is you try today. Tomorrow I'll give my programs to you, notepads.
Okay. Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
And
Now I understand it.
right? And I have actually
Yes.
a document with short example. I'll send you that one second.
And I still have to do my CICS programs. I haven't done them.
No problem. That's okay. I have given my programs. You can keep it with you. So whenever you have time, you can practice.
Okay.
But I think you better practice these also or JCL also. Reason
Yeah.
being, GSL is very important in mainframe. Whether it is even though if it is Kix programming.
No, I know. I know. I really need this because like you asked me to do that, and I was not able to do it. It's
Yeah, then it's
I'm starting a job and I can't do those simple things, right?
yes, that is important actually.
Yeah, and oh, I just wanted to let you know I finished the Murac 1 and 2 CICS, so I started DB21,
Okay, okay.
and I have a lot of questions in the part 2 of the CICS
Mm-hmm.
of Murac.
Mm-hmm.
It looks like there's a lot of things that we did not cover, and it looks like it might be needed. Like for example, the NQ and the DQ and the interval and the journals.
No, actually,
Uh,
that for that actually they are the jobs done by the admin. So that is the reason we cannot practice them with our ID privileges. That's the limitation
oh,
we have.
because
They are a bit high level
because
activities like which usually system programmer deals with them rather than
oh,
a developer. NQ, DQ, interval control, those topics.
because I think it's important to put it in a queue sometimes.
No,
But it's I don't know if I
those
can.
queues and all, TDQs and all, you need special permissions to work on them, and you have to configure them. Then only you can work. And usually,
Uh,
it needs admin permission, and they'll give you on the need basis. If your project you are working on such kind of activities, then only you can do that. You know what,
okay.
Brian? I'll show you one link. I'll show you one link.
I can't see your screen.
Oh, sorry, sorry.
You're not sharing, right?
Okay, okay, one second. Let it come up. I think I again turned on the screen.
Yes.
Some basic sort example I'll copy to your library directly. Need not even upload. Only thing is you change my ID to your ID. Do a
Okay.
change all. That we can save time.
Okay. You know what, Venkat too? If do you know what would help to maybe to speed things up?
Mm-hmm.
If do you want to record some go-to meetings on your time and then you can share to me? And then we we will just have a session of the ones that are important, and then the ones that you think are important that we don't have time to get to, you can record on GoToMeeting. Like I'm there, but I'm not.
Oh, I didn't get to go
Do
to
you think that would help? No. I mean, if like for example, when you have time, you can record some GoToMeetings. Like I'm there, you can just record on your side, right? And then like because we're just in JCL and we still have to do COBOL and DB2 and VSAM, and if you want, you can do that too. I can watch the videos and then speed it up.
Yeah, but I think I will again ask.
That's why I was asking for some.
I will ask Vasu to send those.
Previous recordings, you mean?
Mm-hmm.
I thought you didn't see. Oh, you found them?
No, I'll tell you. You also can actually. It's very good document actually. I saved it somewhere in my laptop. I cannot recollect. It is easier to go and search and again.
Oh, that's okay. You can find it later.
No,
yeah,
no.
you can find it later.
To save it right away into your machine, and it's very explanatory. Yeah, this is the one, but it has two versions which can be copied and which cannot be copied. Let me see.
What is that?
Okay, this is the one I am looking. I want you to know, refer to, but don't worry. There is another website where you have something to copy and put it on Word document. It's very helpful. Just bear with me a moment.
Okay.
No. Maybe you can save this link. I'll send you this. You can save this link.
Okay. Yeah. Ping it. Can you ping it to me on the chat?
Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Actually, here he shows the examples of sort command. Even before I take you there, I want to make sure you know how the sort utility works, right?
What?
You know what a sort utility does? A sort
yes.
all it does is sort the input file on the key fields and write it to output file.
Yes.
See, in this example,
I remember doing the sort. I just can't remember how to do. I know you have to put the position, right?
Yes. See, these are the sort fields 1 comma 5 comma character ascending. Okay. It means you are sorting on the first 5 fields. I mean first 5 columns of the.
There's a problem with your volume. I mean the sound. It's.
Oh, is it?
Hello?
Yeah. Can you hear now?
Venkat?
Yeah. Can you hear me? No?
Okay. Your sound was.
You can?
There's, Venkat, there's something wrong.
Is it?
There's something wrong with your sound.
Let me
Okay,
check.
now it's good. It was speeding up and it was slowing down.
Okay, now is it okay?
Now it's, yeah, now it's good. See, whatever you said, can you repeat that?
Okay, so here uh, hmm, what sort program does is you take an input file, say here I am concatenating two input files. If you see here, fine.
Mm-hmm.
You know,
Yes.
concatenation two files means two physical files will be concatenated and read as one logical file under same DD sort in. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and sort out is the
Yes.
output file. Now when I run this, I will get the output file, mft ps file out sort out x. Okay, there is no test. Okay, okay,
Mm-hmm.
like this. Now the records are sorted. If you see, the input file is not sorted. See, it has got records like this, unsorted records A, B, C, and sorting 2 has got unsorted records D, E, F. Fine. And this is the
Oh, you
sorting.
made it descending?
Yeah, ascend. Now I am sorting in ascending order.
Can we look at the 1 and 2?
Hmm. Okay. Now see 1 where you have the records in unsorted order. A records
Oh, okay, okay.
42153.
Yes.
You can unsort them any way you want.
Okay.
Now when I run the job, it will sort it and give me. Okay. What I do, I'll copy this
Yes.
program to your library. Now you have got this job B40, refresh, L sort 00, you have it. Change all KC03 B42 to KC03 B40. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now you can create those input files as I have created, or I'll create it for you.
Mm-hmm.
I'll create and keep it for you. Copy
Okay.
KC03 B40 dot mft dot ps file dot sort in 1. Now you two have the files. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
right? You
Yes.
can try running the program. And another example is I'll give you as a I'll explain you what it does and you try it as a hands-on. Here all I do is I will have an input file and split the input file in such a way that whatever condition is matching this 1 comma 6 comma character equal to Mohan K. You can read that. Can you see that? Sort
Yes.
fields equal to copy. They will be written under sort of 01. I'll show my program. I'll show my program. That way you'll understand.
Venkat,
Mm-hmm.
I have a question about the data type. I remember when I was doing mainframe on this sort,
Mm-hmm.
we always use CH for character, even if it's a number, right?
Yes.
Why is that?
See, mainframe,
It's
when
always
you
CH.
maybe you are asking from the sort utility perspective, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's always CH, right?
Yes.
Even if it's numeric.
No. See, for
Why is
sorting
that?
purpose, for the purpose of sorting, sort doesn't differentiate between character or number. Unless
Ah,
if it is a binary, then you can specify as binary or packed decimal or zone decimal.
PD.
Yes.
Yeah, but we always use CH, even if it's number, right?
Yes. Yes. You can, because sort doesn't have any differences. Sort
Uh,
utility. And here, if you see this sort program, I'm splitting my records using this condition outfill files equal to 0, and this is my condition. And any records in which first four characters are A1111 will be written into sort of 01. You see this, right?
yes.
And anything with 02 outfill file 02 here, and anything qualifying this condition with B111 will be written into outfill files equal to 02, which is sort of 02.
Now you're using a temp file.
Yes, I'll explain you that also. I
So,
forgot to actually tell you that
okay.
yesterday. I'll tell you that. Now, temporary file is the one which can be created in the job and will be deleted once the job execution is done. Okay? For a temporary file, you will have to code the DSN as DSN equal to double ampersand, two ampersands, ampersand, ampersand, and the name, like this. Okay? And disposition will
Mm-hmm.
be new pass. Fine?
Yes.
So this is the syntax for this sort. Using this sort, I want you to I'll give you a file with two input files. One has A, B, C, other has D, E, F.
Okay.
Let me explain you. Input file and output file should be like that. Okay, got it?
Mm. Yes.
This is one of the hands-on. And make use of that sort syntax and try to do it. And tomorrow I'll give you both IBNR and sort JCLs to you.
Okay.
Fine?
Yes.
You can refer that. Meanwhile, you practice. One day you spend in practicing them. And can you check and tell me whether you can go to that web page by using that URL which I sent you, sort
I,
exercise,
yeah. I went. Hold on.
and save it
Yeah.
actually.
I'm able to. Huh?
And you can save in the favorites.
What is that?
You can save that in the favorites in your Google Chrome.
Yeah. The Google what?
No, no, you can save that web page in your favorites in the Google.
Oh yes, yes. I did. Yes, I
Okay,
saved it.
great, great. Okay. Now do these two exercises. Fine.
Yes.
Actually, practice as many as you can. Imagine that The only thing you have is your Google material, and you are the only person on the world. You try to write. Tomorrow I will help you.
Mm-hmm.
See, as many errors you get, so many things you will learn. Fine.
Mm-hmm.
And meanwhile, I will send you some small, short examples I have. No, no, this has got all the short examples. This URL. See, it has got skip break, everything, everything. You can practice all of them. With some fields equal to none. If you say some fields equal to none, it will eliminate the duplicates and copy. You can practice all of them. They are very easy to understand, straightforward examples. You create the data, you create the test data in your with your ID, test data sets, and run them. Fine.
Yes.
And tomorrow we'll again meet and see how much you could write.
Mm-hmm.
Then we'll start GDG and procs tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
I know it's very you feel difficult while trying to write it, but you can do it. It needs practice. That's all.
Okay.
Right? So practice as
Yes.
much as you can, and we'll meet tomorrow.
Okay. Is it the same time tomorrow?
Yeah, if possible, like today, I will try to join early. Like today,
Okay.
I could join 15 minutes early, right? Than 11 a.m.
Yeah.
I will see
Yeah.
if I can, free up myself. I will ping you. Assume that it is 11 a.m. EST. If possible, we'll try to meet early. I will ping you in advance. I'll check with you.
Okay.
And if you
Okay.
have
And
anything, free
Venkat,
feel to free feel to WhatsApp me message.
do you are, are we doing more than an hour tomorrow? Do you have time?
Sorry.
Can you do more than maybe 2 hours tomorrow?
Sorry, I lost you. What is that?
Oh, can you do 2 hours tomorrow?
Let me see, because I'll have to again catch my bus early morning 8 o'clock, to go to
Oh,
office. If it is a weekend, I could stretch
uh,
myself.
um, I can't do on Thursday. I have to go to Pittsburgh
Okay, okay,
and look for a place to
okay,
stay.
okay. Then
So
actually this
so
weekend
on
Saturday and
Thursday we can't do.
okay, this weekend Saturday and Sunday we will try to extend.
Okay. Oh, no, I thought you can't do Saturday.
Or what I'm planning is I will try to make my Sunday morning and Sunday afternoon also. Let me see if I can do that, which is Saturday evening and your Saturday morning, your Sunday morning.
Okay.
Sunday morning.
Yeah. Okay. Yes.
I cannot promise.
And also and Venkat,
Mm-hmm.
also if you can record some other topics on GoToMeeting and then I can just watch it. That way we can cover more, right?
I mean videos.
Yeah, I mean here in GoToMeeting, you're recording on your side. So even if I'm not there, if
Uh-huh.
you want to cover some other topics, I can just watch it. That way we
Actually,
can just have a session on the more important ones. Do you want to do that?
if I was not in classroom training, I would have definitely done that.
Oh, okay.
That is
Yeah,
giving.
no, I mean, like for example, on Thursday, like Venkat, like for example on Thursday, I won't be available. You can just record on that day, right?
No, no. Let us do it while you are on the class. So
Oh,
that
okay,
way it
okay,
is more interactive.
okay, okay. I was thinking maybe just more of
Understand?
those other ones we cannot get to.
No, no. Let us make it a dialogue, like both of us on the call, because I
Okay,
understand your concern. We will try to make the extra hours in Saturday and Sunday, because I know you have to report,
okay, okay.
join also early. I'll try to help you as much as I can.
Okay, okay, yes.
Now, if you are tell me when you are going to join, I will try to spend more hours and complete it so that you are comfortable before joining, getting aboard.
Yes, yes.
Okay, maybe this month and like April 30, you need to join.
It's not clear yet. It's either 30 or the week after.
Okay, let us.
I'm waiting on the background check and my medical,
Okay.
the results.
Oh, let us assume. I will assume it is April 30 and make it fast. And if we have time, we can cover more.
Okay.
Okay. No problem. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. You can practice those JCL hands-on, which I sent you.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.